Hey Curly Teas! Today we're making a green tea herbal shampoo with mild cleansing surfactants including nettle, fenugreek, and horsetail. Green tea is said to help with strengthening the hair over time. Nettle leaf is anti-inflammatory and is said to help soften the hair. Horsetail is rich in silica and is said to help with improving shine and luster of the hair over time. Fenugreek seed is also said to help add shine to the hair and helps to strengthen the hair strands. First, let me say this. If you don't have Haircare Soft 313, you don't really have to buy it. I didn't notice anything spectacular about the surfactant over the surfactants that I already have. If you already have like polyglucose lactolate blend, just use that. Coco Betaine is what will make your shampoo look like a real shampoo. It provides the lathering effect many people respond to while shampooing. It's optional, but it does help thicken the surfactant system. This is still my favorite surfactant ingredient up to this point. Stir slowly to decrease the chance of creating a lot of bubbles. The mix will thicken, but your end product won't be this thick. Let this sit overnight so that many of those air bubbles will come out naturally. Enjoy this green tea herbal shampoo. Don't forget to visit CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY recipes, including the full ingredients list, instructions, my notes, and other information. Follow on social media and become a patron at Patreon if that's more convenient for you. I'll talk to you guys soon.